In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix screenshots not working or saving on your computer. So the very first thing we need to do is make sure you're using the correct key combination. Now this will depend on the computer and laptop that you're using, but typically you should have a print screen button somewhere on your keyboard, and you can either press this button individually, or you'll need to press the FN key and the print screen button at the same time, or you may need to press the FN key, the Windows key, and the print screen button all at the same time. And if none of these key combinations work, then the next thing we need to do is make sure you have the Snipping Tool installed onto your computer. So if you open up the Start menu and search for Snipping Tool, you need to make sure you have this already installed. If you don't have it installed, you can open up the Microsoft Store, and then using the search box, you can go and type in Snippet Tool and press enter. And then you need to click on this one on the right hand side and make sure you have this installed. You can then go and open up the application, and you can see on the screen it will tell you the key combination you need to press in order to take a screenshot. You can also click on new, and then you can just take a screenshot manually. And in order to find where this is saved to on your computer, you can go and click on these three horizontal dots and press settings, and it will say here screenshots are saved to, and it will show you the folder. And we could always change this and save the screenshot somewhere else, so you can select a new folder or a new location on your computer. And it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.